Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Marisa Yanwarisitio with student ID number 2023-32099. I am from Bachelor of Information System program. Here, I will explain the theory report with the title Transmission Media. 1. Introduction. Transmission media is a medium that transmit electromagnetic wave or data using physical conductors. Transmission media includes the transmission path consisting of twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. Twisted pair and coaxial cable use copper conductor to transmit signal in the form of electricity, while fiber optic cables transmit signal in the form of light. Several factors that affect the quality of transmission media are 1. Bandwidth, 2. Noise, 3. Interference or attenuation. There are two main types of transmission media: wired or cables and wireless. A. Wired transmission media is used physical cable to transmit signal between devices. Common examples include UTP or unshielded twisted pair and STP shielded twisted pair cables, as well as cable. Fiber optic cables wired media tends to offer higher transmission speeds and is less susceptible to electromagnetic interference compared to wireless media, but can be limited by physical obstacles. B. Wireless transmission media use electromagnetic wave to transmit data. Common examples include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and radio wave. Wireless media eliminates the need for physical cables, but tends to be more prone to interference and slower transmission speeds compared to wired media. 2. Explanation of UTP and STP cables. A. UTP unshielded twisted pair. UTP cable are pair of wires twisted together that do not have additional shielded. These cables are commonly used in computer networks and are effective in environments with low electromagnetic interference. B. STP shielded twisted pair. STP cables are similar to UTP cables but include shielding to protect against electromagnetic interference. These cables are suitable for environments with high interference and are often used in industrial settings. 3. Categories of UTP cables. UTP cables are divided into several categories or CATE, based on their data, transmission capabilities. CAT 1, used for telephone communication. CAT 2, supports transmission up to 4 Mbps, commonly used in token ring networks. CAT 3, supports transmission up to 10 Mbps, often used in 10-base Ethernet network. CAT 4 supports transmission up to 16 Mbps used in token ring networks. Cat5 supports transmission up to 100 Mbps and reduce interference between cables. Cat6 supports speed up to 1 Gbps and is subtitled for Gigabit Ethernet networks. 4. Explanation of strike and crossover cable. A strike cable. This cable is used to connect different types of device, such a computer to a switch or a router to a switch. One end the cable follow the T568A standard and the other end follows the T568B standard. B. Crossover cable. This cable is used to connect the same types of device, such as connection one computer to another or connection one switch to another. The wiring is crossed, so data transmission pins on one end match the reception pins on the other end. Thank you. Goodbye.